vis lige roserne. Vis lige roserne.
Roses for roses. Kan bare lige må komme med, ikke?
Hej. Hej.
You can go in.
I don't know what he's got on the screen right now. He had something running, but probably he wouldn't be so happy if we helped him with his game. And then the parts where there's highlights, I'd like to leave maybe a teeny bit more, because all of this is going to end up like, you know, merging, right?
So it was like the...
Jesus Christ, he was hardcore. Oh my God.
Was he hardcore? Oh, fuck.
Oh wow, he was like, he must have been like 60 or something.
We go.
Okay, I am going to pay 4,000 for it, so it's definitely a good deal, right?
Put it on my arm.
Yeah.
Jeg ved ikke.
Jeg kan godt huske det.
Jeg kan jo godt huske, hvad der sker.
This is definitely nostalgic for you, isn't it? It's one of these things that nobody else really gets, but it's because it's, you know.
Giving the middle finger.
Yeah.
It's very...
Det er også meget svært det her.
Ja, det er lige ved albuen. Der må jeg få en til at finde. Det er det godt.
Monetizable yet?
No.
I think it's too small for this. It's good for the eyes.
Hvorfor kan du skal lige op, Jens?
Black work you can really expect bleeding though. That you're just gonna bleed and it's just gonna
be horrible.
We've been asking the building guys about it and they're just really not in a hurry.
Zoom ind i stedet, så du ikke er så tæt på det.
Må jeg komme helt midt ind?
Nej.
It's supposed to be too close. A stupid feature, right? That it can't figure that out.
Can do so much, but not really.
Yeah, you were very grumpy.
Men det var 18, der synes jeg, det var flot.
That's funny.
Og så er det pizza.
So nice. The last little bit.
About it.
Okay, here comes the dot.
Sådan kan man vende en fodboldkamp på hovedet, yes. Uanset hvad der er op og ned i en fodboldkamp, så er der ingenting, man kan tage for givet, fordi det her lå bestemt ikke i kortene. Men du har ret, det her skaber det jo. Han holder ved træningen til på tværs til Isak, men de kan jo det her i Newcastle. Deres omstillinger, man holder fast.
And that's it.
That's it.
Wow.
Finito.
So happy with it.
Finito.
Gå og kig i spejlet.
Okay.
Jeg tror, det er godt nok.
Nu er færdig. Det blev fint.
It's always the most.
All focus on you.
Damn.
I see.
Okay, some of this I need to just draw. That's actually fine. There's just some stripes for some strange reason, but obviously that's not going to be there. Ta-da! Like this part, see? I'll just clean it off with that tweezer.
Turn this
And
way.
this one turned a little bit double, but I'll just, fix it with a marker.
I think it's good.
Henrik?
Can you stand real straight and normal? Yeah, okay. Because I was wondering if they needed to go
Exactly.
and walk like this. Sometimes it's actually this that can be too much of a glare.
Shit, jeg har fundet vinklen herfra.
Det her, det er en svinestreg, men det her med, at han meget ofte vil gå foran sin modstander, komme på forsøg ind, så altså, det er godt smart. Men jeg vil bruge Fernandes fraspækken lige mavesækken på en modstander.
Oh, damn, look how good I did. I didn't even smush it.
Smirk.
Is it a little rough right now?
It's because we saw some. Oh wow. Sexy boy. It is.
The arms make all the difference. Makes it unique is this very like dotty kind of thing. But I think also what I love about it is the arms. I think there's just something so elegant,
There is.
like ballerina-like.
Yeah. I got the perfect shot right now.
It's cool. Okay, so it's some more on the arm and the hand here, and then we need to have a look when.
Jeg føler altid, hvis man finder en mønt på gaden, så er det sådan ens lykkemønt.
Yeah, it is, right? Then it's a lucky penny or whatever.
What?
Okay. All
Is
right,
that-
go have a look.
Svans, kom herover, mand.
Dans.
Hallo, stå lige stille, jeg skal lige have fokus. Så krøller du bare hendes arme, jo. Er der værd. Få den arm ned, og lad mig se den ordentligt.
Jeg føler, at den ser flot ud,
Og
hvis
så
jeg
hvis
vender
du
den
gør
om.
sådan der, så bliver...
Damn.
Og så lige den anden. Og så lige den anden.
Oh, oh! Oh, 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 oh,